I'm live right now.
Yes, you're live.
All right.
Is Sean here? Oh.
Here comes Big Sean Giovanni.
Oh no. Okay, go
Look
ahead.
at this stuff. Isn't it sweet? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the squirrel? The squirrel who has everything. Look at this trove. Treasures untold. How many treasures can one cavern hold? Looking around here, you'd think, sure, Sean's got everything. He's got gizmos and gadgets aplenty. He's got
This is live.
and what's it's galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to go where the people go. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them again? Oh yeah, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for singing and jumping and dancing and all that stuff.